Ever wondered how steel is made from scrap metal? Well, the secret lies in a remarkable piece of technology known as the electric arc furnace, or simply EAF. This furnace is a marvel in steel making and metallurgy, used to melt and refine a variety of metals without adding impurities which will not affect the properties of the metal. Process starts in a cylindrical shell made of refractory bricks lined with durable refractory materials to endure extreme temperatures. Intense heat is archived by the power of electric arc between the electrodes and scrap. How does it work? The process of an electric arc furnace might sound complicated, but let's break it down into simple steps. First, scrap metal is loaded into the furnace. This could be anything from old cars to industrial equipment. Then, 3 graphite electrodes attached to a powerful electrical supply are lowered into the furnace. When these electrodes are brought close to the scrap metal, a high-temperature electric arc is formed. This electric arc generates intense heat, exceeding 5,432 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat melts the scrap metal into a molten state, while also removing impurities like rust and paint. While the metal is melting, chemical reactions are taking place inside the furnace. These reactions help adjust the composition of the molten metal and remove any remaining impurities. In some designs, oxygen is injected into the furnace to help control the chemistry of the molten metal. This process is known as oxygen lancing. Periodically, samples of the molten metal are taken to monitor its chemical composition and temperature. Adjustments are made as necessary to meet quality specifications. Once the desired composition and temperature are reached, the molten metal is transferred to a ladle for cooling and solidification. Impurities and non-metallic materials, which form a layer on top of the molten metal called slag, are removed. Finally, the process is repeated, and that's how an electric arc furnace turns scrap metal into steel. It's a marvel of engineering and recycling, turning waste into invaluable resources.